You know things are getting serious when you've got your lab coat on. Today we're going to do some serious science, even got my gloves on. I'm going to do some microbiology, going to try and grow some bugs that are around us. This isn't the sort of thing you're going to be able to do at home, but it shows you what bugs like when they're grown, and also gives you an idea of how historically bugs have been grown. I have with me here some agar petri dishes. And here, this jelly-like substance in the bottom contains nutrients from which bacteria will grow in. What I'm going to do is I've got some sterile swabs. We're going to go around BBC Wiltshire and we're going to take some environmental swabs and then we're going to see what grows. Just how clean is the BBC Wiltshire kitchen sink? I'm going to take my swab. Let's have a go around here. Okay, so when we've got what we think is a good swab, take our agar plate. We're very careful, don't lift it off for very long, and then we do a streaking motion like this across the plate. Put the lid back on. I'm going to take that up and put a label on it so we know what it is. How disgusting is it in here? Let's have a look. Got it. That's all the sampling done around BBC Wiltshire, but I've got some here that I've prepared earlier at my own home. This is taken from my bin lid in the kitchen, and you'll see here all these tiny, tiny little dots. Each one of these dots is called a colony. Each colony represents an individual bacteria. So one of these dots, one bacteria has been there, and as this has been grown, that one bacteria is multiplied and multiplied and multiplied until thousands upon thousands are there, and that's called a colony. And if you wanted to, you could take a sample of that colony and streak it onto another plate, and then you could grow that up again and find out more about that bacteria. Here I have one taken from the kitchen sink at home, and you'll see here that there are different types of colonies, some slightly different colours. There's some yellow ones. Now the yellow ones will be a different type of bacteria to the paler ones. Historically, microbiologists would have had to learn the appearance of different bacteria on an agar plate, whether the shape and the size and the colour, and from that they would deduce what the bacteria was. So now you appreciate the number of bugs and bacteria around us. On this method you can only actually grow about 1% of all the bugs that are around us. 1 teaspoon of soil contains over 1 billion bacteria, but it just gives you an idea of all the living things that surround us.